The flight attendant, though long deceased, still seems to watch over the plane. The flight attendant stepped into the cabin, only to find a trail of blood suddenly appearing on the floor. The girl and the monk behind her witnessed the scene, too terrified to speak. The monk tightly shut his eyes and began praying fervently. Meanwhile, a man was washing his face in the restroom. Suddenly, a pair of blood-soaked hands reached out from behind and slashed his face. But the most horrifying event occurred in the cabin. A pa1 walked forward with a vacant look in his eyes. The veins on his face bulged, and then unbelievably, his head twisted a full 360 degrees. The crew rushed forward in horror to check, but the bald man calmly returned to his seat, as though nothing had happened. At that moment, Jack, trapped in the cargo hold, saw countless ghosts appear before him. Luckily, the co-pilot noticed something was wrong with the hold, rushed over and rescued Jack. However, when the co-pilot went to check the cargo hold again, the once pristine space had turned rusty and worn. Unfortunately, he wasn't as lucky. Countless ghosts suddenly appeared before his eyes.